Let's go to this next one then. This is my favourite. This is my favourite. Now, explain your way out of this one, Jesse. Explain your way out of this one.
When I seen the picture,
yeah,
I was thinking of a caption for ages. What can I write? And obviously I remember the pigeon from when Ash got last time.
Can you confirm or deny? Confirm or deny that? Do you believe?
It's weird that I don't know what it was. I actually don't know what it was.
What's Ash saying?
He's a nah, but you never
He's silent
know.
on it. I feel like he's a silent character on that sort of thing. Move on from it.
I had to think of something like good, like witty.
I mean, it's a good caption.
Today. Glad you're.
Do you know what the best bit is? It's to find an emoji.
I know the feeling.
That's rude. That is so rude. I mean, this is probably my favourite ever post from you.
That's funny. That is actually funny.
Did you? What did the dressing room say when this came up? Was it like the WhatsApp was just going mad?
Yeah, dude, loving it. Yo, Ash.
What is Ash saying?
He's laughing to it.
Oh, is he takes it with good spirit though?
Yeah.
He's not getting wound up saying, "Get that down. I'm a senior pro. I'm in charge of the orcs."
He likes stuff like that.